Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Code, and on today's edition, I'm going to be talking and teaching on how you can connect your video camera to your OBS software for your recording as a content creator and many more. The past few days, I got to experience this restriction, you know, as I tried creating content, and I got to realize the setback that this offers, and I'll be shedding more light to that in today's tutorial. The OBS software doesn't recognize when a video camera is connected to your PC, and here is the reason. OBS only recognizes webcam, so if your video camera is connected, it won't be visible to the software. It only recognizes a webcam, and that's the major reason why your video camera won't be recognized if you want to use it for your content creation and many more with the OBS software. And you'll be needing a few accessories for you to be able to do this. And I got to realize after making personal research when I experienced this setback. And the few things you'll be needing is number one, an HDMI cable. So I guess you should all know that, and if you don't, it's like a major cable you use to connect your PC to your monitor, like the one that is being rendered here. And also you need an HD TV video capture, and also you're gonna need an HDMI mini mount. So that's what will be used to connect, your camera to the HD TV. I'm gonna show you a video, of these things so that you can see for yourself. So right here, I have my camera, which is a Canon EOS 60D, and also the HD TV video capture, and the HDMI mini mount, and my HDMI cable or cord, as you will have it. Alright, so I'm just going to be connecting them all together. So here for that end, and this for this end. Then there's going to be a port for your camera, which is going to be the HDMI mini. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to input this. And this is going to fit into your laptop. Using a Mac, you make use of your Thunderbolt, and if you're using a Windows, you just plug it directly. So I'm going to be using a Windows for this. Alright, so I will be showing you on how you're going to do this, and I'm going to screen record, from my OBS software. Let's dive into it. We have OBS software opened on a Windows laptop, and make sure you have, you follow the process through, and then you have everything all connected to your camera directly to your laptop. So the essence of all this is to make sure that OBS recognizes your camera as a webcam creative source. And I'm going to make sure my camera is turned on, and then you come to video capture device, and create new. Alright, and we have HD camera here. Then this is our camera USB video. Alright, so card write protected. That's like an error from my own end. I think that has to do with my SD card. So, but this view you're seeing currently is right from my camera, which is being recognized as a webcam by OBS. Yeah, I hope you're able to follow through this tutorial and you're able to connect your video camera to work with the OBS software. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. If you have any other questions, you can put them in the comment section and I'll be so happy to respond. Ciao.